welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change TikTok username. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your profile app, open your TikTok app, then go to your profile. There you can see your name at the top right at the top in the center. There you can see the option of three dot icon, three lines at the right corner. Tap on it, go to settings and privacy. Then after there you'll see the option of account. Tap on it. There you can see the option of account information. Here you can see the option. There were no options, so go back to your profile and tap on edit profile. There you can see the option of name, username. Tap on username. There you can see @lily.gautam. I don't want Gautam, so I don't want Lily. I'll just tap l.gautam. That's my username. Then tap on save, and you should know that you can change your username once every 30 days only. Once if you have changed your username, then you cannot change it until 30 days. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.